You are at the Iowa ProStart Invitational. This is the state championship competition that we have in two things, the culinary competition and the restaurant management competition. What's at stake today for students is the opportunity to represent the state of Iowa in a national competition in Washington, D.C.
The degree of difficulty that you guys did was excellent. I really like the risks that you guys took today, which looks really good, so excellent job.
The ProStart program itself really shows you what the full breadth of opportunities there are in hospitality. When you are part of this program, you realize that there are lifelong career paths that are available to you.
Today I'm making the main entree. I'm making a jerk lamb chop with a coconut couscous rice and kale chips and a sweet potato puree.
That should stay this time.
Months of hard work. As a team, we practice once or twice a week for the past couple months.
It took a lot of preparing.
So just pour that on top of that?
Every day we had to go over notes, we had to talk, we had to make sure that we could get every single word that we had to say memorized completely, but also made sure that we were still speaking from our hearts.
But it's about the experience and the journey and the progress that it can give to you. It's just all these things that we want to be a part of, and we want to get somewhere further than where we are now.
But for the most part, I'm excited. We've been preparing ourselves, so no matter the outcome, I'm excited for how we do.
Yeah, you guys did a great job. You should be proud of yourselves for sure. All right, deep breath. Okay.
We have so many stories of kids who came in and realized, I'm really good at this. I really can see a path for myself. Career and technical education is an absolutely essential way to both build the workforce and draw people in that maybe didn't see a path beyond high school. And really to capture their imagination and show them what they can do with it.
Putting myself out there, speaking in front of judges, putting myself in uncomfortable situations is something I didn't really think I'd be doing, but ProStart has really helped break me out of my shell. And I love being able to bond with my team. We've created a family out of our ProStart teams, and that's one thing that I will definitely remember for the rest of my life.